Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. Just down here at the car wash this morning to give my car a big clean up. The 350Z is covered in red speedway dust, but we have a mission today. We are taking this car and my A6 down to my kids' kindy. They're doing like a race car day, so the kids want to look at the cars, sit in the cars and all that sort of stuff. It's like a school excursion, so gonna wash my car, also gonna wash my trailer because my mate that borrowed it didn't clean it. Cheers, Regan. Yeah, and after all that cleaning up, we also need to do some repainting on the trailer as well now. The gravel roads took their toll on it, but go get this 370 cleaned up now, and then go get the 86 cleaned up and get down to the kindergarten. Alright boys, 370Z is clean-ish. Hate it when it's clean. It really shows how not the right colour my front bumper is. I really do need to get this car detailed with like a proper cut and polish at some point to see if the paint comes up similar to the bumper, or whether we might need to go like, yeah, better shade of white, or add more stickers so it just sort of blends more, because right now it is like definitely a very different white. So that will be a plan for the future, but she's all clean now. We go take it down to the kids' kindergarten, get her unloaded, then go get the 86 and get that down to the kindergarten as well. Obviously won't be able to film the kids, but I'll show you guys once we're all set up down there. I'm pretty stoked about it. I think it's pretty damn cool, and man, my dad never had race cars. He was a truck driver, but I think if he had brought the truck down to the kindergarten, I would have been pretty proud. So I think this is going to be super sick for Boston, to have all his daddy's race car, well, not all, have some of his daddy's race cars down at the kindergarten. So yeah, I'm excited about it. It's good. It's a cool thing as a dad to be able to do it for your son. All right, so the meet and greet for the kids has been done. All the kids absolutely loved it down here. It was really awesome. Especially the last group. How old were the kids in the last group?
4 to 5.
4 to 5. They had a gazillion questions, and they're actually super interested in it, which was rad. So I quite enjoyed answering the questions, and Tiana got stuck there answering a million questions as well, which was really funny. And I guess, like I was talking about that builds thing in yesterday's episode, wouldn't really, or not yesterday, day before, wouldn't necessarily work It wouldn't necessarily work in, you know, this situation with 4 and 5 year olds, but damn it, it's just cool to, you know, I don't know, this was rad for me. Boston was beyond psyched to just show all his school friends, like, come and look at my race cars. And then Kobe, Princey's son, was just going berserk and had to come out and check out the cars as well, because he knows what Uncle Luke's cars sound like. So, nah, so cool. I'm so stoked. But on other news, while I was here, something I'm insanely excited about is I got a package, and it's my new drone, guys. We're going to unbox that in a minute. Cannot wait to get that thing out and learn how to use it. Power tune digital dash, so good. Oh, turn, Tiana, turn, yes, good girl. Alright guys, here it is. We got ourselves a Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So I'm really excited to unbox this and learn a hell of a lot, and hopefully bring you guys some epic footage in the future. This is a big moment for me. Damn, I'm gonna open it up. Alright, that's sick. Comes in a bag. Everything comes in a bag, I guess. Oh, it's literally, everything's in here. Is there any more stuff in here? I have to have a look. This is so rad. Oh, this is like, ooh, what is this? It's all, oh, spare propellers and all my extras. Sick. Alright guys, pretty psyched. I have my drone obviously out. It's doing a software update, which is pretty normal apparently when you fire them up. And hopefully this afternoon I'm going to be able to take this thing out for a fly. In the meantime, we loaded up the 370Z back onto the trailer. One of my missions today is to get a bunch of car covers, because all the cars get so damn dusty with the speedway next door to the drift track. And Adam was concerned about his car being yellow and the fact that yellow fades quite a bit. So we're going to get car cover for Adam's car. I basically just want to get car covers from my cars that don't have shitty paint, I guess. So basically just the 370. And then Adam's yellow Evo. He's not really that fussed on the 180 because it needs a respray anyway. So yeah, that is something we will do in the future, is get on to the whole fixing Adam's 180. So it's coming, guys. It's coming. Alright guys, I've got my drone set up. I had a little flight. I am gonna now, one of the biggest things I bought this for is to be able to shoot while I'm driving my cars myself. So I'm gonna attempt to get a really rad outside shot, and bear with me for the next couple of vlogs because I'm really excited about this drone situation, and I just want to learn as much as I can and, you know, just make radder footage for you guys. So I'm going to take the Raptor for a drive now and try and get the drone to sort of follow me down the street. So fingers crossed it works. Give it a try. Alright, I'm finished playing with my drone for now. I hope you enjoyed the shots. I'm beyond stoked. But we have a couple of packages in our PO box, so I'm going to head in now with Wifey and have a look at what they are. Should be good. Should be interesting. I don't know what you guys will say.
Why was Mommy
Thank you anyway.
Say, please open it?
Because Mummy always wants to open them straight away, doesn't she? Alright, so this package is from Dean Mascarino. I'm sorry if I got your name wrong, but I do like the fact that it's been wrapped in race tape. I think that is sick. Oh, it's the JDM can and cigarettes for the 8.6. Yes! Look at that. Oh, dude, that's so rad. So it's a Japanese pack of cigarettes. And then old school acai can. Look at that.
That's sick.
That's
Please
so
don't use
rad.
that as a catch can.
No, I'm not going to use it for a catch can. I need it for the middle of the 8.6. Yes, dude. Dean, legend. Let's put in the 8.6 now. That's sick. What were you going to say?
If anyone that works for Asahi is watching, please tell them to go back to that.
Yeah,
that is rad.
Sick can. All right, you can do the.
Daddy.
What's up?
Yeah.
Daddy.
Go on, chuck it in.
Do you want it on your side or the passenger side?
Whatever.
Probably the passenger side.
So JDM ciggies, bro. Even though I have no interest in cigarettes whatsoever, and the old school can. That's so good, isn't it?
That's it.
You like it, Scarly? It's period correct.
Why does it look like the lid's already open?
It is already open.
It's an empty can.
It's an empty one. Daddy just wants it in there for show. So it looks cool.
It's for display.
Yeah. Why is this car not at Boston School?
It was at Boston School.
And why did you take it back?
Because we brought the cars back home.
Excursion's over.
Yeah.
What other car did you bring?
You asked
370Z.
too many questions.
How many cars did you bring?
2. Oh man, I'm really stoked about that. That's sick.
That's it.
Definitely if I take this to any car meets, I'm going to keep that stuff. Well, to be fair, it's mainly me in that car on my own, so I can leave it in there. It's so sick. Thank you so much, Dean. Legend.
I knew it wasn't Hot Wheels cars. I shook it. It didn't shake. It didn't rattle.
Alright, what do we got? What do we got?
Yay, Amazon shirts!
Excited?
Yes.
So, thank you everybody that's been patiently waiting. They're finally here. Members only shirts, boxes and boxes of all the pre-order stuff. And this is literally opening the first one. Wifey's got her size. That is sick. That's rad. That is so good. Yes! That's so good. That is so crap. Like, dude, that's sick. That's worked so good. I love it. Do you love it?
Look, I still think you shouldn't have done that little bit, but...
Oh, yeah. Tiana doesn't like the extra little man up here, but I absolutely love it. I think that's just sick. So, Tiana's going to start getting orders out any day now, so expect them in your letterboxes soon. I know that we did get some extras.
Yeah.
So when she gets a chance, she will update those totals. So if you haven't got one yet, you'll be able to grab one, hopefully. Otherwise, yeah, thanks for the support, guys. Massively appreciated. All right, guys, on to day 2 of this vlog. I'm down at the track. I need to jack up my 350Z to find out if it's got... basically find out what kind of clutch slave it's got in it, and then I can order a new clutch for that car. Like I said, 350 is about due for a birthday. AU is pissing me off. I need to get the diff sorted and work out where it's leaking water from. So yeah, the only car that's really properly working at the moment is the 370Z, and even then I still need to fix that fuel system. So I'm not having a lot of luck with cars at the moment, but I don't know, it could be worse, I guess. I've still got the 370 still works. I just have to fill the tank like all the way to the very top if I want to do laps in that car. All right, I'm gonna jack this 350Z up now and get it sorted, hopefully. Okay, that is what I'm under here to work out, guys. Just seeing that it is a clutch fork. Oh. Alright, it's a clutch fork instead of an internal sleeve. So I'm going to call up Clutch Place now, get a new clutch ordered in, and then we are going to Kevin Bell Mechanical this weekend. We're going to get a new clutch into this thing. Man, I'm excited for what we're doing with 350Z. We're going to make her pretty again. We're going to make her mechanically better again, and hopefully years more service out of this trusty beast. Brekkie at Little Ship Cafe done. I'm going to head home now and edit this video up because it's a drift day today. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I massively appreciate it. That was a little bit mumble jumble, but anyway, grab yourself some merch. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.